Wow, man, you can see the improvement for
Right,
sure.
into the next one, into the next.
Yeah, and with another person, it looks like. With Mio. Okay. Howling! Oh, it's awesome!
Oh my god!
Boom! When I saw Mio, I was like, it's gonna be Howling.
Damn, bro.
This is a banger song, man.
Yeah, she's getting all the predators. She's getting all the carnivores.
Three predators.
Yeah, right. Yeah, look at that bump.
Yeah, it's the next step. It's a step. That's literally the part of the MV as well.
The Mio step, the Mio step. Idol step through, Mio step, baby.
This is a part of it. This is a part of it.
This song is something like a Nana Mitsuki type song.
Oh yeah, it is. It's like
it's
Symphony-ish.
yeah.
Man, their voices together were... That was great. Oh, that was sick. The lighting going up.
Yeah. Wishing Mama Mia the best in her recovery. Yeah, 100%, man. 100%, dude. Yeah. Oh, so yeah. Wishing her the best, man. Nice, man.
Sure. She is one of our very, very good friends, and she does amazing content.
Show the love. Oh, that was sick, bro. Oh my god, they're popping off For the guitar solo, yeah.
Oh my. Yo, Watame is just a big ball of energy, man. She really is. Wow.
Get a close up of the idol step, man, of the Mio step. Yeah, for real, man. Listen to my howling, dude. Get well soon, Mio. We can't wait for you to come back.
100%. Oh, the head turn at the end.
Beautiful.
What a magnificent
Beautiful,
finish.
man.
That was sick.